This is the elevator at warehouse number 1 in Cleveland, Ohio. It's an old Taylor elevator with very rare hall stations. I don't know if it's CJ Anderson or GAL. The inside's GAL block, but they're like a flush version now. Go up to 4. That's up. Goes in pretty far. Here we go. Vibrating. Here 4. Is the door operator replaced? Yeah, the door operator's replaced. I wonder if the controller's replaced too. Down's going down. It's a basic old fake wood grain cab. Does the emergency light work? It does work. Old ink can. Also an old Rotary freight elevator in this building, plus one other freight elevator. The Rotary one's obviously hydraulic, and then the other one I think it's traction. I don't know what that one looks like right now. The motor on this might be replaced, but I'm not sure. That was replaced, but these two are original switches. And I got one. I wasn't going to come back.